Success lies in the ruthless execution of basics. Hello friends, today I am here to discuss about stick to the basics. Whenever you want to do some new thing, you just need to follow the basics and the fundamentals. Let's discuss how an individual can stick to the basics. First, fix up your objective. First, make the blueprint. What do you want to do? Then, decide vision and mission for the objective. Finalize the time frame. Put your whole effort into the objective. Keep a habit of saying no. Keep consistency of doing things until and unless you get the success. This keeps you to achieve the objective. How stick to the basics can help an organization to do better. Customers are the ultimate king for any organization. So, organization need to take care of these customers very carefully. If there will be any kind of customer complaint, the organization need to close this. This will lead to customer satisfaction, which helps the organization to grow. Then organization has to be very employee friendly, because they are ultimately the owner of the company and build relationship in the market to grow their sales. Then focus on business plan. Need to close the plan as for decided. By following the basics, how can an individual can get the success? First, write down your goals. Break them into sub-points based upon your experience and potential and skill sets. Then develop a powerful belief system. Without conviction, you never ever get success in your life. Then the third one and the last one is invest in yourself. What resources you have, what experience, skill set you have to invest in yourself to develop further skill sets which is required to complete the objective, to reach at the target. Thank you.